Hey there, it's Tyrone Jackson, the Wealthy Investor, with an important stock market tutorial. Now today, we're gonna talk about Tesla stock and Amazon. See, a lot of you like to buy stocks that are really these high flyers and you want them to go to the moon. But what you're not prepared for is the volatility. In other words, that stock doesn't go straight up. It is waving all over the place. So one day it could be up $100 and down $100. And when you're holding a stock like that for the long term, that's the last thing that you want. Take a look at this 5-year chart of Tesla. See, over time, the stock has a tendency to rise. But if you now look at a 3-month chart of Tesla, do you want to own those shares? Now that's crazy, right? See, it's a wild ride. Take a look at this 5-year chart of Amazon.com. 5 years ago, the shares were trading at around $350 a share, and look at where they are now, around $1,900 a share. Pretty wild, right? But the ride to get there, very, very volatile. So here's some things that I want you to remember. When you're investing for the long term, choose long-term stocks that have a tendency to rise that are stable. You'll enjoy the ride in your trading account much better than choosing a wild stock. If you really want to increase your chances of success in the stock market, then you want a long-term chart that is stable on a stock that pays a dividend. Now, I've talked about this many times. What is a dividend? A dividend is your share of the company's profits paid out on a quarterly basis. Dividend-paying stocks like Visa and MasterCard, for example, have a much smoother ride, and you'll like the results in your portfolio. Hey, if you're really into being successful in the stock market and this whole stock market education thing, what you want to do is subscribe right now to this channel. Leave a comment if you think I'm right or wrong, because I actually do respond, and I want to know how you feel about this volatile ride or this easy ride on the road to wealth and investing. Don't wait, subscribe right now, and I'll see you in the next video.